Hello, all of you again. So, as you may know, it's been a while and since we attacked the plants and tried to get the brains, but it turns out that the house that we attacked, the owner was away, so yeah. Instead, we're attacking a new house with a pool. So, yeah. Now, you may be wondering, hey, someone is missing, and you're right. You can guess what it is. Buckethead is missing. But, thankfully, I've got some replacements for him. And you're wondering why he's away. He's just working on something for us. So we can have a backup plan if this plan fails, alright? Alright. And here are those new recruits. We have Ducky, Hal, and Pirate, also known as Swashbuckler. Yarr, it's me, Pirate Zombie. Arr, arr, arr. Yeah. So those two are going to be the replacements for Buckethead Zombie for now. Alright, now, Ducky, his special ability is that he can go in the water and, swim. And Pirate Zombie can, swing from a rope and carry zombies with him over there. So, get an advantage, This sounds so dumb. Agreed. Why is well, still falling over? Meh. Stupid. I hate you. So, let's get those plants. Eat them, and then get the brains. Whoa! Alright, so, yeah, go on. I'm gonna be over here, slacking off. Wow, you're lazy. Shut your mouth, Coney. I swear, if another word comes out of you, I'm gonna slap you silly. I'm already silly. Alright, that's it! Ow! Alright, well, I guess Coney's going in first then. Oh, alright then. Pea shooter! What? What's going on? Oh, where am I? Thank goodness you're awake, pea shooter. Where's the sunflower? What happened? Flashback. Where's your money? Where's your money that you promised? I didn't promise money. You signed it on the contract. Oh crap. You're fucking I'm done with you! Yeah! Oh, and keep your crummy sunflower too! We lost. We not only lost the battle, we lost sunflower. Yeah. And now we're here for some reason. Chopper, wait. Is everyone here? Yep. All except for sunflower. Don't remind me. But wait, is that the zombies over there? Yes, you will be correct. They're attacking us again. Don't know what they want, but I'm pretty sure it's brains.
Okay, maybe we can get that. Hopefully that person over there.
Who?
Nope, the person over there. Wing side.
Huh, yeah. We could get help from them. Excuse me, miss. Oh, coming. What is it? Could you help us out? We're trying to fend off some zombies and, well, we're searching for a friend of ours that got captured by the zombies and... Zombies? Oh, well, speak of the devil. My sister, Lily, actually got captured by the zombies. Wait, she did? Yeah. I'm trying to find her. Well, how about this? If you help us find our friend and defeat the zombies, we'll help you, get your little, your sister back. It's good enough for me. Hey, put that little, potato guy on me. Which one? That little guy over there. Oh, him? Won't it? Yeah. I think he's big enough that, he's light enough that he can float on me. Alright. Want it. What's happening? Want it. Watch this. What's happening? Well, this is cool. Yeah, I'm floating, yeah. Awesome. Now, everyone get in position. It's time we give the zombies another battle. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm flying! I'm flying! What? Wait a minute. Oh no! Help! I can't swim!
Right? Back to the rescue! I'll make it there eventually.
Why do you all have to be such idiots? Hambo, go in there. I'm code as well.
Alright, come on. Come on.
You just called me Hambo, but my name is Cowpoker. I don't care, buddy boy. I'm the boss. No, Cowpoker, it's okay. Don't, no. Let me at him. I swear I'll get you. Hey, Cowpoker, what do you want, huh? They wrangle up your cows.
Who did?
Ants over there. I'll teach them a lesson or two. Now, students, what have we learned? Is this a good situation for a zombie? A, yes, or B, no. If you chose B, then you're correct. Oh, crap. Far out. Time to get you. Whoop. Gotta recharge before I can go back there.
I'm still no, I'm not.
Swashbuckler, you go under. Yes, sir. Zombie alert! Oh, that hurts. No! My camp! No! Oh, my secret, I'm bound! No, stop it! No! I'll take this. No, my cap. Don't let him take the thing. Haha. Somebody help me, I still can't swim.
I'm trying to get there. Count out for the chip. Newspaper out.
Don't worry, guys, I got this. I'll get you guys out. I'm gonna fish and go get him.
Okay.
Oh, supper time. There we go. Finish him up. Hi. Stop! I'm in the feed. Nothing is slowing up. Nice hustle, tons of flying. I'd like to fish. No, stop it! No! There we go. Now let's go over here. We have an advantage. Let's go in there now. All righty then. Whee! Hi, Ducky.
Let's do it together.
Hi there. Oh, diet. Duck, run! I'm still alive. Well, you won't be in just a second. Making the world betray. That was cool. Yeah. Stop it, you mind? Thank you.
Oh, look at that. They're forgiving you. How sweet.
But you still suck. Well, we got one more wave. Let's do this, guys. My God, you guys never let me win. Duh, we don't want our brains in. I don't care. It's not fair. I'm gonna send in a wave, and you are going to pay for all that you've done to me. Put me back. Oh, are you alright? No, I've been dropped in water and
soggy. I'll let you have the day off this time, Conan. Thank you.
Alright, but now everyone else, attack! Hey, Cowboy, I got an idea. Oh, what would that be? What if I swung over and I threw you along with it? That sounds fine. Let's do it. 1 and a 2 and a 3. Oh. Guys, I got an idea. We'll tenement the launch me over there and take out most of the zombies.
Do it.
Do this.
I'm sneaking away from you.
I did.
The what? Huh?
Boom.
Oh, yeah, after me now. Whoa! Oh, help! I fell in. Oh, I can't swim. Oh, I'm okay, but I'm not. I'm okay.
Let's finish this.
Well, I'd rather you freeze. Oh no, you got my newspaper wet. Where we dropping, boys?
What was me? What was I?
And this time we gotta fly! Yes, we did it! Yeah. Now, who wants to go over there and retrieve Sunflower? Me and Pea Shooter will, alright? Let's go. Do that. So, Flag Zombie, we meet once again. Please help me up. We'll help you up. If you add service question, where is Sunflower? And why would I tell you? Well, if you don't, you'll drown. But I'm already dead, and we'll just leave you there for all eternity. Okay, fine. Just let me up and I'll tell you. But, fine. But, wasn't the whole thing we were talking about? He had to shark and then we lift him up? I don't care. I just want to see Sunflower again. Now tell us. Get in there. I gotta whisper it to you. You're not saying anything. Exactly. Ah! What the? Fool! You fell for my trap, and now I'm gonna run. No, get back here! Never! Get back here! Ha! What are you gonna do now, puny blade? Ha! Oh! Got away. Let him get away. Pea Shooter, this is all your fault. But I didn't. You let him up first. Even though he was gonna answer his question, and then we left him up. Just leave him there because we got the answer. That didn't happen because of you. I'm sorry. I'm just so desperate. Well, don't be. It's just Sunflower. That's all. But she's been my friend for the longest time. When the owner was away, she comforted me. We were the only two there, so. Nice. Now that she's gone, I don't know what to think. Now we're here. Now we have each other. She was there for you when you needed it. But now, got us. So don't make stupid choices, but just because you want to see her again. Sure, she's a great friend, but that doesn't mean you should just. Doesn't mean you should give up. She's a great friend, but it doesn't mean you should do something that is the exact opposite of what we agreed on. Yes, I understand. Now, I guess let's go get water out of the bowl since I think he's covered in bugs now. Help me! Ah! What am I gonna do now? I'm stuck here. Got nothing to do. Why does he want to torment us? I mean, neither me or Pea Shooter deserve it. I guess I gotta do it. Because if I don't... well, I guess I gotta revive the zombies. I'll be back, plants.
When I am, I will make you pay in the night. Ha ha ha.